Gertie Trades here, and I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a new Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the WL model, which is the 2022 and onward, and the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Alright, so the only thing you need to do to install it is open your glove box, then you're going to push up in this area right here and pull the glove box down even further. The bottom part will snap straight out, and then it will dangle from a little string. You can just leave it attached. You don't need to take it completely off to remove the filter. Then there's this little cover here. You're going to pinch down on these two tabs and pull out. The other end kind of just sits in there once you pull that tab out, and then you can pull your filter straight out. There may be some debris on it if it's really dirty or dusty. Mine had a little bit of leaves and things like that on it, so just try and keep it flat when you pull it out so you don't get dirt everywhere. Then your new filter will go right back in the same way. Make sure the arrow is facing the right direction. The arrow should be pointing down for the airflow direction. I like to get my filters from Eco Filter. I'll put a link in the description to purchase them. I've never had any issues with them, and they're really nice filters for the price. To put the cover back on, you slide the right side on first and then snap those two tabs on the left, and then when you close your glove box it will hold those in. You're going to want to push these tabs onto the little knuckles there, and then you should be able to just close your glove box and be done.